Ever wonder what it actually costs to run your global business with a platform like Airwallex in the UK? We see the headlines about saving money on international transfers, but what about the fine print? The monthly fees, the conversion rates, the sneaky little charges that can add up faster than you can say cross-border payments. Today, we're diving deep into the nitty-gritty of Airwallex's UK pricing to give you the clear picture you need. Airwallex offers a tiered pricing structure, so the cost isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. They have three main plans: Explore, Grow, and Accelerate, plus a custom option for larger enterprises. The good news is, there are ways to minimize or even eliminate some of the costs. The Explore plan, aimed at smaller businesses, comes with a monthly fee of £19. However, this fee is waived if you maintain a minimum balance or have a monthly deposit volume of £10,000. So, for a busy business with a decent cash flow, this plan can essentially be free on a monthly basis. As you scale, you might look at the Grow or Accelerate plans, which are designed for businesses with more complex needs. The Grow plan is priced at £49 per month and includes extra features like more company cards and advanced expense management. The Accelerate plan is for large, enterprise-level businesses and starts at £999 per month, offering things like a dedicated account manager and integrations with platforms like NetSuite. Beyond the monthly fees, there are other important costs to consider. Let's talk about foreign exchange, or FX. Airwallex is well known for its competitive rates. For major currencies like GBP, Euro, and USD, they typically add a 0.5% markup on top of the interbank rate. For other currencies, it's a 1% markup. This is significantly lower than the markups you'd find with traditional banks, which can be 2% or more. Then there are the transaction fees. Local transfers within the UK and to over 120 other countries are free. This is a huge selling point. However, if you're using the SWIFT network for an international transfer, you're looking at a fee of £10 to £20 per transfer. For accepting card payments, the fees vary. For a UK-issued card, it's 1.3% plus 20p. For EEA cards, it's 2.4% plus 20p, and for international cards, it's 3.15% plus 20p. If you have employees, you'll want to know about the company cards. The first 5 employee cards are free. After that, you'll pay £5 per additional card user per month. In short, Airwallex UK's pricing is not just about a simple monthly fee. It's a combination of a subscription plan, which can be free under certain conditions, along with transparent and competitive fees for FX, card payments, and SWIFT transfers. The key is to understand your business's specific needs and transaction volumes to choose the right plan and manage your costs effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.